Hey guys, and happy Monday. I hope that you guys have all had a wonderful weekend. Can you believe that there's only about 2 more weeks left before August is done? I actually cannot believe it. But today I have this really super cute and easy stamping nail art to share with you. And I also added these really fun multi-chrome jewels, which were provided to me by Born Pretty store for review. So if you'd like to see how I incorporated them into my nail art, keep on watching. For the base color of my nail art, I'll be going in with this gorgeous burgundy color by Essie, which is called Sexy. I love how vampy this color is, and it's also very easy to use because in order for me to get full opacity and good coverage, I only needed one coat. Now that I have given my base coat some time to dry, I'll be going in and applying this latex barrier by Bliss Kiss called Simply Peel, which will help to make the cleanup process from the stamping a lot easier. For the stamping, I'll be going in using this gorgeous blue polish by Mundo called Turquoise, along with a stamping plate that I've had for some time now by a company called ToSave, and the plate number is JQ-number 48, and I'll also be using my favorite all-time clear jelly stamper to help pick up the image. To help the multi-chrome studs or gems adhere to my nail, I'll be going in and applying American Classics Yellow Stopper, which acts as a sticky or tacky coat, which will help me to have some time to place the gems how I want them. Next, I'll be using these very pretty multi-chrome nail studs, which was provided to me, like I said earlier, by Born Pretty store. They do come in that cute little black jar that you do see them in now. You do get quite a few pieces for different types of nail art depending on what you want to do. They're approximately 1.5 to 6.5 millimeters and very easy to use, and they do have a very pretty shift when the light hits them. And last but not least, I'll be going in and applying one thin coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat, which will help to seal in my entire mani. And here's the final look of my stamping nail art with these very pretty nail art studs. As you can see, I only used 3 studs on 2 of my fingers because 1, my nail beds aren't that wide, and 2, the gems are a bit big, but I do love how the final look came together. What are your thoughts on how this mani turned out? Let me know down in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you did like or dislike anything about it. As usual, I will have all of the products and links to the Born Pretty store in the box down below as well. And for those of you who have been staying tuned into my channel, thanks so much. It is greatly appreciated. And to any of my new followers, welcome to my channel. And as always, guys, stay glamorous.